Hi everyone. Today I'm here to share with you all something that I received in the mail. This year I was selected to be part of the 2018 creative crew for Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft online store. It is out of Australia, and she sells, like I said, she sells kits, but she also sells a variety of craft supplies. And so I will put the link in the description box, and I will put the link to this kit. That way, if you would like to purchase, if you like what you see and you would like to purchase it, you'll have the direct link. I'm very excited to be part of this creative team, so thank you, Vera, again for selecting me. I will be with some, be in the team with some very talented ladies that I've watched before. I've watched their unboxing videos. I've watched, the projects they make. So I'm very excited to be part of that team. So I'll get to it. The kits come in these big pizza boxes. It's, a big size, and so it's pretty nice because, your 12 by 12 papers fit, nothing gets bent or whatnot, and so damaged, or should I say. And so, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the contents from in here, and I'm going to share it with you because my desk is kind of, let me see, maybe I can show it there. No, it would be too hard for me to hold the lid, but it comes packaged very well. I had already, snuck a peek at some stuff here, so let me just pull them out real quick. But this is the box, like I said, it's pretty big. And here is the kit, everything it comes with. I put everything in the bag. Let's see. I'll just show you this right away. This here is the Dina Wakley Media Acrylic Paint Blushing Color. Let's see, let me zoom down. I never have used this before. It looks, I really like the color. I opened it a while ago and I really liked it. This is what it looks like because it kind of spilled out. See, it's a really pretty color. I really like it. It's almost like a coral pink. I don't know. I like it. So it comes with this acrylic paint, which I'm anxious to use. And then we've got the washi tape. Whoops. Forget which way my camera is. This is really... Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Yeah, so I was showing you these cute bows. They're the Santoro London, and they come with 4 of each color, different patterns. Super cute. I won't take them out because I don't want to lose them. And then you've got the Kent Oliver Embellishments by Maya Road. Oops, going backwards again. Let me take these out so there won't be a glare. These are so pretty. Look at that. They are the vintage, let's see, vintage compass and arrows. Gosh, I'm not used to this camera. You don't do videos for a while. But these are very pretty embellishments. Okay, they're just flat. They don't have like brads or anything, but that's nice because you can just use E6000, glossy accent, just different, adhesives. So those will be fun. And then these, I think, are my favorite. I've never seen these before. They are memory pockets from Santoro London. Look how cute these are. Whoops, wrong way again, sorry. And then the back. You see the inside. Oh, those are really cute. Sorry about that. Let me lower my phone. Oh, come on. Okay. And then we've got these two. These are cute. The girl on the bike. Oh, cute little bunny in the back. I love these. And then you got the little fruit stand. Oh, these are really, I really love these. And then you've got the back right there. So these are cute for a little mini album or a little journal, even for a planner maybe. Super cute. So those are really adorable. I love those. Let's see what I'll do with those. And then we've got a Maya Road. No, not Maya Road. Sorry. Kaisercraft Open Road stamp. So here it is. Look at that. That's really pretty, isn't it? So as you can see, this has somewhat of a theme, you know, like a traveling theme. Adventure this way. Of all the paths you take in life, make sure some of them are dirt. Okay, that's cute. Road trip. That's a very cute stamp. I will definitely be using that. And I just got, a couple months ago, I got a new Tim Holtz platform. So I showed that in my previous video. So then there's this, the Tim Holtz Traveler stencil. It says world map, go discover, travel, life, expedition, the journey, destination, see, explore, adventure, wander, 365 degrees. There's a little dot there and everything. Figure that's what that is. That's really cute. So again, this is the Traveler stencil from Tim Holtz. So you get all those little embellishments and stamps to use, and then we've got these out, the paper collection, and on this paper collection you get 12 sheets of 12 by 12, and it is the Dear Lizzy Star Gazer collection. Let's see if I can zoom out on this one since it's a little bit big. Okay, so this one here is the adventure. This one's really cute. You can have all those little cutouts. Very cute. On the back, you've got a little pink background. It says be adventurous, be adventurous, be kind, be free, be you. And then what I like about some of these papers is that they have the down, you know, the bottom. You can use one side and just cut it so you don't waste paper. So I love that because I love paper and I don't like wasting it. So this one here is called Pretty Petals. Has little birds, tiny little flowers. This is the background here. Very cute. This one here is called Marigold Merriment. It's cute colors there. And you have little dots in the back with dark blue and like a light blue. And you have the cute sentiments on the bottom. This one you've got sun setting. So these look like they've been painted on with a paintbrush. Those are really cute. And then you've got the back where it looks like they're just, the stars are done with like pencil, you know, handwritten. And then you have the border. And then this one I really like because you can do like a layout. It has a little camper on the bottom. Sorry if it's upside down. This one's called Magical, and then it has, isn't that cute? And back up here, look, it has the stars in order of brightness. That's really cute. And then this one is just has the sentiment, like a little sentiment. Count the stars, find true love. Very cute. This one's Be Free. And then you've got that background with the little cameras on the bottom border there. It's a cute design up here on top. Then this one is called Falling Stars. This one's cute. And then the background is just pretty flowers and then cute It looks like the same painted paintbrush on there. This one is called Wildflowers. And the back, you got these yellow stripes, and then on the bottom you got the lemons, and super cute. Very like spring-like collection. This one is called Happy. I love these patterns, they're so cute. And then the background, you've got all these beautiful colorful flowers and that pattern on the bottom. This one is super cute. This one's called Happy Trails. You've got the little camping trailers, the greenhouse, little house, tent, teepee, adorable bike path and whatnot. So it's cute there. And then this is the back. Very cute. This one, you can cut out all these little words out. This one's called Find Joy. So it has all those words there. And then this is the background with some the peaches and the greenery there. And then this last one is Cruisin'. It has all the cute little bicycles with fruit and basket and everything. How cute. And then the background is very cute, very spring-like again. And then you've got the shooting stars, falling stars on the bottom. So this is a wonderful, wonderful kit. It's a beautiful collection. Everything is wonderfully put together. I really, really like it. I'm just anxious to start on my project. I have a few things in mind, but we'll see how that goes. Seems like I changed my mind when I'm already creating. So again, this is a kit, January kit from Aunty Vera Craft and Scrap and Craft online store from Australia. But it comes with all these great products, and you can make a variety of projects, not just one. Everything will last you to make maybe 2-3 projects. And of course you can reuse the stencil, you can reuse the stamp, and you got plenty of paint for sure. But if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below in the comment section. I'll also put my email there as well if you would like to private message me. Again, thank you, Vera, and I'm super excited to start on my project after I finish these videos uploading. And I hope that you all come back for my project share when I'm finished with whatever I make. And again, all my social media sites are down below. I hope you will comment, subscribe if you haven't yet. Please give a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And I guess I will talk to y'all later. I hope y'all have a happy new year, and I will talk to you soon next video. Bye everyone.